Did you know that businesses from all industries save thousands of pounds on their packaging by working with SMC? How? Well, not only do we have the widest range of products, but we also partner with you to make sure we have effective solutions to meet your specific needs. You interested? Stick with me and I'll explain. A recent customer couldn't see any way of improving their packaging process but was still facing rising costs. Working alongside our sales engineering team, we identified a number of products in key areas that simplified their machine design and construction, which resulted in saving them £3,000 off the bottom line per machine of a specific range. SMC have solutions for the complete packaging industry. We support you worldwide, whatever your industry is: food, beverage, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, in every step of your process, from thermoforming to filling, sealing, and shrink wrapping. Also, static electricity removal solutions and case erecting. From conveying with smart flexibility to case packing using wireless technology as an additional cost saving, and helping you deliver products with efficient palletizing applications. Build a complete packaging solution with SMC. There are many ways we can work with you to save money, energy and CO2 emissions. So many of the customers that we work with were surprised just by simply talking to us about their packaging issues. We were able to save them thousands of pounds. If you'd like to understand what a difference this could make for you, you've got nothing to lose. Give me a call. Follow us on LinkedIn for the latest hygienic and packaging product updates from SMC.